Hi all. Welcome to Missan IT Solutions, where we make IT happen.
Hello everyone, this is Alex from Missan IT Solutions. In our previous video, we discussed ShadowProtect SPX and its significance. Today I'm gonna demonstrate how to download and install ShadowProtect. Alright, so on a browser, go to arcserve.com, then press enter. Once you arrive at the home page, click on Software Download. Then scroll down until you see the following options. Under ArcServe ShadowProtect, click on Downloads. Scroll a bit more and you'll find the ArcServe or SPX software available for various operating systems. In my case, I'll select the Windows options and click on the arrow to expand. I'll choose the 64-bit installer file. Alright, the SPX software will begin downloading. Once it's downloaded, right-click on the software and select Install. This will bring up the installation wizard. Just simply click Next. There we go. Now you'll need to agree with the license agreement by checking the appropriate checkbox. After that, click on Next to proceed. In this installation, we'll choose the complete setup, and you can just adjust the installation path by clicking the Browse button, but for now, I'll keep it as a default. Once that's finished, click Next and then Install. The installation progress will take some time. Once it's completed, you'll be prompted to restart your system to finalize the installation. And after restarting, you'll find the ShadowProtect SPX icon on your desktop. And that's pretty much it, folks. In our next video, we'll guide you through the process of configuring SPX. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. For more updates, follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and Twitter.